sound of Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. Just saw Harry Styles on Saturday Night Live a couple weeks ago. It was really fun, really cool. I like this song because it's got just a steady groove to it, and I'm going to show you the chords first. The first chord is a D major 7th. Looks like that. So you got your second finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your first finger on the C note, which is the 1st fret of the B string, and then you flatten it out like you're playing an F chord to hit an F, 1st fret high E string. So it sounds like this. Your lead note is your open D string. And your second chord is an A minor 7th, sorry. Looks like that. You might know that chord already. It's the 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the D string, 1st finger, 1st fret on the B string. And your lead note is your open A, your 5th string. Then what's the next chord is an easy change. All you do is take your 3rd finger and move it up here to the 3rd fret of the A string. And you got a C chord. That's your 3rd chord. Your C is your root. And then you go to a G. You can hit that G, which is, we all know by now. Or you can do this one where you tuck under your 3rd finger and kind of a chime. I tend to do that one. And so it sounds like this when you play just the chords. Okay, so I'm leading with that D note, and then the A note, C note, G note. Now I'm going to play the rhythm at the actual tempo, and then I'm going to slow it down for you. So. Now you notice I'm just scratching on a muted guitar there, because to get this rhythm, I was just showing my buddy, you kind of do a... Now if I slow that down and I do it with the chords, but I'll do it with a pick. Slower. Okay, so that's Watermelon Sugar. It's got some other things going on in the song. If you're a more advanced player, I'll quickly go through. A D major 7th up here looks like that. An A minor 7th looks like that. And then a C and a G. And I only mention that because if you're a more advanced player, you might want to go from So that's Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. Check it out, and if you want to play along with it, there's the chords for you. There's the rhythm. And just remember to get that bounce when you're getting a little attitude in there, right? Get that bounce. Should make you kind of want to dance. Yeah.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock! rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it'd mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.